My name is Kevin Tay, and this is my informative speech about mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers are the people who create solutions to everyday and long-term issues. I've been around mechanical engineers my whole life. My dad is a mechanical engineer, my uncle is a mechanical engineer, and my brother is a biomedical engineer. I've also taken engineering classes in 6th and 7th grade. Waking up, your first instinct is to grab milk from the fridge and make cereal for breakfast. A mechanical engineer is the one who designed the fridge and manufactured it. You might not realize it, but mechanical engineers have either designed or manufactured almost everything we use. After this speech, you'll understand the influence and vitality of mechanical engineers. In this speech, I'll be talking about the process of becoming a mechanical engineer, specifically what they do and why they're needed. Let's start with how to become a mechanical engineer. To become a mechanical engineer, you have to take it as a major in college. In order to become a mechanical engineer, you'll have to take certain classes in college. One of these classes you'll need is numerical methods. Numerical methods is the study of algorithms which use numerical approximation for mathematical analysis. This class can be quite challenging due to how broad its topics can stretch. Another challenging class you have to take is control systems, which is difficult because you have to develop spaceflight systems, measurement devices, and instruments. You'll also have to get some internships and co-ops to gather experience before you work in the real job. A good place to intern or co-op would be NASA, SpaceX, car manufacturers, and plane manufacturers. Some good places to intern is Honda, Delta, and Ford. Now that you know some of the vital steps to becoming a mechanical engineer, let's talk about what they do. Mechanical engineers analyze problems to see how thermal and mechanical devices can solve problems. They design things to fix everyday and more complicated problems. Mechanical engineers design all sorts of things, from microwaves to commercial planes. Mechanical engineers do a lot of different things. Mechanical engineers play an important role in the automotive, aerospace, biotechnology, computer and electronics, automation, and manufacturing industries, according to See All Engineering. They can design and develop everyday things like our phones and cars. Mechanical engineering is the art of using problem-solving techniques and applying them to design and manufacturing of an object, according to GCU. What is mechanical engineering and why is it important? Mechanical engineers work on stability and aerodynamics of planes and other vehicles. Mechanical engineers also work in the manufacturing line and investigate equipment failures. Mechanical engineers visit work sites where a problem or piece of equipment need their personal attention, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Mechanical engineers oversee production of devices and machines. Mechanical engineers work mostly in engineering services, research and development, and manufacturing, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. They look at machines that are malfunctioning and recommend remedies or fixes. They analyze problems to see how a mechanical device might help solve the problem, according to See All Engineering. So, now that you know what they do, I'll talk about why they're important. Mechanical engineers are important to society in our everyday lives. Mechanical engineers design things that we make our everyday activities easier. Mechanical engineers design things like laptops and computers we are using for school. Mechanical engineers design, develop, build, and test mechanical and thermal sensors and other devices, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. We rely on them to make all the stuff we take for granted. They also design and develop things like electric generators, steam and gas turbines, and internal combustion engines. These engines are often involved in the department of automated systems using robotic technology and the production of transportation vehicles, heating and cooling devices, and other complex mechanical systems, according to mechanical engineer from the Atlas Library. Refrigerators and air conditioning are all designed and manufactured by mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers are important for our everyday routines. When we're at the mall on the elevator or escalator, it's all been designed by a mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineers are responsible for many simple things we look over, such as heating and cooling systems in our homes to commercial planes when we go on vacation. Now you know how to become a mechanical engineer, what they do, and why they're important. I will now wrap up my speech. In conclusion, mechanical engineering is a broad job that can help the world and society in many ways. They can develop our phones to creating huge sources of clean energy. Their potential to help and change society is limitless.